Welcome to this video where I'll be teaching you how to get started with Adobe Premiere Pro, how to create a new project, and how to import videos and audio into your new project. So let's get started. All of the Macs and Windows computers on campus should already have all or most of the Adobe products downloaded onto the computers. If you can't find Adobe Premiere Pro on your desktop, all you have to do is type it into the search box on your desktop and an icon for Premiere Pro should appear. Click it and the software should open. It might take a few minutes for the software to open considering it might be the first time you're using Adobe Premiere Pro on the computer you are currently using, but eventually it should open. This loading process will happen on each new computer you are using, so don't worry if it takes a while. Now I'll open Premiere Pro on my own computer. I'm using a Mac, and most of you will probably be using a Mac, but in the case you're using Windows, be aware that it could potentially change edits in a project you're already working on. I suggest you use one or the other from start to finish unless you know what you're doing. This is just to be safe to prevent anything from happening to your project. Now that I've opened Premiere Pro, you'll see two functions on the left that say New Project and Open Project. As for now, you can click New Project, and a new medium-sized box will appear. You can add a title to your new project at the top. I'll name mine New Project for the video's sake. After you have done this, you can choose the location in which you want to send your new project. You do this by clicking Browse on the right-hand side of the second line below your project's name. Currently, I'm not using a computer on campus, but I have set up a projects folder as an example of what you would use as your location. Jill will give you a list of folders you will need to add to your class's project drive. I will show you in another video how to access the project's drive and create new folders. Once you have created your new folders, click the one you want to use as the location of your new project. I have named mine folder Project 1 for this tutorial's sake. After you have done that, it'll take you back to the Premiere Pro screen and you can press OK at the bottom right hand corner of the tab. At first glance, the screen in front of you might look confusing and complex, but don't worry. You'll know how to work everything as you progress with class and the tutorial videos. You'll get used to it and it won't seem as complex later on. Now I'm going to show you how to import audio and videos for your new project. At the top left-hand corner of your computer screen, click File, and then move down to the bottom of the File tab and click Import. You can do this for both videos and audio. I have downloaded both an audio and a video clip for this demonstration. Usually you will find your downloaded files in the Downloads folder. Eventually you will want to move your files to the project's drive, considering you can only work on your video when the clips have been located. If you're using a different computer without files being in the project's drive already, you won't be able to work on your project, or Premiere Pro might have a difficult time locating your files since your files are nowhere to be found, unless they've been moved to the project's drive already, or if you're using the computer you started your projects on originally. Click the files you want to use for your project, and your files will be imported into Premiere Pro for you to use. You can import multiple files at once by clicking Command on your keyboard and clicking the files you want to import at the same time. Once you have done this, you will see the files you have just imported in the left side of the screen. And that's how you import videos and audio. In this video, you have learned how to get started with Adobe Premiere Pro, how to create a new project, and how to import videos and audio into your new project. Thanks for watching.